To first explain, I show the way that my background. My nursing and community work started around 10 years ago, but my journey with dementia started around 12, 13 years ago when my great grandmother was diagnosed with dementia. But she came from English wasn't her first language, was second, and it wasn't even that good. She could barely speak English, and so did my grandmother. So when she was first diagnosed with dementia, this is 15 years ago, we didn't know what dementia was. We weren't educated in dementia, so our journey was not the most positive one. We couldn't support her in ways that we know now that could have supported her. And there were so many problems that came with that dementia. Also, my grandmother couldn't speak English, so she couldn't talk to the doctor. She couldn't talk to the nurses. It was not a positive one, but I decided to make that my mission to support others that English is not the first language.